brand new edition of Tech Toys with your resident geek Ankit Vengurlekar and the oh so gorgeous Kim Jagtiani. My God, this woman is everything packed into one. She's a traveler, she's a photographer, she's a TV host, she's been a VJ, she's an actress, she's a dancer. Have I left out anything?
An adventurer. I love trekking. I love scuba diving. I'm just kidding.
Okay. The reason we have Kim on the show is because this is the home entertainment special. So we thought, what better than to have Kim, who is one of the most loved and most envied faces on Indian television. Let's get to your living room now.
My living room.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, even though I'm in the television industry for the last 11 years, I have a pretty basic setup. I don't have too much of an advanced setup that way.
Okay.
I don't have a fancy flat screen television, just a normal television, but sound is really important. Surround sound 5.1.
Okay.
Listen to a lot of music at home, and I love when I watch movies that the sound should be really good.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, so 11 years of working on TV, I'm sure you have terabytes of storage for your videos and your shows.
I actually don't. I've been so busy working that I haven't had the time to do that. That is something I've been planning to do.
Okay.
But one of the issues is my television is just a basic television. It's a 30-inch Samsung and it doesn't have a USB input.
Okay.
I would love to know how, if I collect all of my content or most of it, to just be able to watch it on my television.
On your existing set?
Yeah, on my existing set.
It is possible. In fact, it's amazing because our top story is a set of media players, devices that act as interface devices. So no matter what television set you have, no matter which century it belongs to, you can still connect this magic box to your TV and watch all your high definition content
brilliant.
in digital format. So your first name doesn't really have to be Paris to enjoy a fab weekend at the Hilton. It could actually be Ankit. Now I've done tons of things on Tech Toys, but this week just tops the list. This weekend, in fact, I was caved in this fantastic 5-star hotel suite with a ginormous high-definition TV, 3 brand new media players to be reviewed, couple of seasons of The Big Bang Theory, couple of dozen high-definition movies, a dedicated room service line, and as you can see, Suraj is taking great care of me. Thank you, Suraj. Fries, anyone? Okay, so we've got 3 brand new media players, the iOmega Screenplay HD DV and couple of other words after that. The Amket Flash TV HD and Onida's latest 3D touting media player. Let's first start with the iOmega and tell you if this is the alpha and omega of media players. iOmega Screenplay DX HD is a transformer. This Optimus Prime of a media player can transform any idiot box into an HD internet-enabled TV. This solid-looking player comes with 2 storage options, 1 and 2 terabytes for storing all your high-definition content. But if you're too lazy to transfer your 1080p's onto the built-in storage, then feel free to connect an external portable hard drive to watch your favorite movies, serials, photos, listen to music, or simply stream it from another DLNA device. The bundled HDMI cable makes sure your HD videos retain all the killer resolution, and Dolby Digital Audio reproduces sound the way it was meant to be heard. Screenplay DX connects with the World Wide Web using Wi-Fi or a simple Ethernet connection and brings a sea of awesome podcasts courtesy Mediafly. So learn a new recipe, keep a tab on who's making news at Cannes while crooning to Rebecca Black's new tunes. iOmega has made sure the interface is fluid, peppy and intuitive. What makes the device easy to use is also this special QWERTY remote control, specially designed to enhance your web browsing experience. So updating your Facebook status or checking your mail on your TV with the built-in browser is absolutely possible. 12,000 bucks for the 1 terabyte version and 15 grand for the 2 TB version will be the best money you would have spent to make this the hub of your high definition and online media. I give the iOmega Screenplay DX HD media player 2 thumbs up. Now the iOmega Screenplay HD, ladies and gentlemen, is a little like what I have on this platter here. It's tasteful, it's colorful, it's delicious, it's versatile, and it's just perfect right from Wednesday movie marathons to Sunday brunches. I'm not talking about the sandwich. Focus here, guys. Focus. I'm talking about the iOmega Screenplay HD media player. Seriously, it's one gadget that packs in so many things that you're left surprised. Dude, how did they manage to do it in 12 grand? But on the other hand now, take out the embellishments of network, which means you cannot watch Rebecca Black or Justin Bieber on YouTube on your ginormous HD TV. Take out the terabytes of storage. Take out fancy menu interface, and lo and behold, and you've got the budget option for people on a diet. It's from Amket and it's called Flash TV HD. Amket's Flash TV HD looks like it's trying to pay tribute to the Discman from years gone by. This unusual design is catchy, but the trade-off is in the number of ports. Flash TV HD has only one USB 2.0 port and a memory card slot to take all your digital content. No built-in storage means this is a pure interface device that lets you consume digital content from pen drives to hard drives to memory cards. The interface is plain, at times too plain to make an impression, but has no lag whatsoever and is quite responsive. The real big deal in Amket's Flash TV HD is the small size, portability and ease of use. You won't be needing a user manual for this media player for sure. $4,500 for this media player that doesn't promise the world but delivers on everything it promises to do. Our next media player looks somewhat like this. Messy, half-baked, half-eaten, completely unappetizing. It's got the making of a great device but just doesn't hit it. And you know what they say about jack of all trades, right? They're master of none. Take a look at Onida's HD 3D media player. Onida is the latest entrant in the limited list of media players, and the Nex S is trying really hard to impress us. 2 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, LAN connectivity, 3D video playback, the ability to play any and every audio video format, full HD output. Everything seems fine on the spec sheet, but in reality, this player is just plain boring. The interface is so unappetizing that I had to force myself to use it beyond a couple of minutes for the purpose of this review. Not just that, there is a considerable lag from the time you press a button on the remote and the action being executed on TV. No built-in storage, poor plasticky finish, uninspiring interface and an unjustified price tag of 6,500 rupees. I think this is one media player you can easily live without. Hi, is it possible to send someone for clearance? Also, can I get an extended checkout, please? Yeah, once again. It's difficult. Okay, I guess I'll just stay another night. Okay, yeah, thanks. It's a tough job and someone has to do it. Let's take a quick break on Tech Toys. On the other side, all the possible entertainment in this world, everything in your living room for free.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we love freebies.